The River Kerio Bridge is a landmark among the Pokot and the Marakwet. While this was the main battlefront, as the Marakwet and the Pokot engaged in unending wars, the bridge now stands out as a symbol of unity. It is at this point that the Marakwet traders are able to access Kolowa Trading Center in Baringo County. A livestock market stands out for the Pokot herders who converge to sell their livestock instead of the cattle rustling that was the default way of getting livestock. The market is also distinct, and here you'll find almost everything from food to clothing, mainly sold by the Marakwet who converge here every Thursday. It is a symbiotic arrangement that has brought about sustainable peace between the Marakwet and the Pokot. The Kolowa irrigation project too is winning the cattle herders into sedentary farming that was once alien here.
We have other stakeholders like Red Cross. We have farming activities along here. People do irrigation, they grow mangoes, as you can see there's a mango here. So they have adopted farming. Even our neighbors here, Pokot, have also adopted farming. And I think that is bringing the two communities together, to farm together, and they do business together.
We meet these two women as they weed their farms, but they are not ready to speak. A recent misunderstanding that left one person dead in Marakwet sub-county has seen this meeting called by the Deputy County Commissioner, Hussein Alaso. He is emphatic that peace must prevail at all costs.
Now there's relative peace between the two Pokot and Marakwets. And what we are doing now is to ensure that we sustain the peace that has already been achieved. So whenever we hear a case, either a goat has been stolen or a cow has been stolen, we move very fast. We bring the two communities together, we bring the elders together, and we finish that issue at that level so that it does not go far beyond that.
The Marakwet Council of Elders too is here to ensure that what is being discussed here will be sustained, to ensure that the peace found in Marakwet is sustained.
The Bible to read the community in the vernacular language on what we say. So the media is also very important in peace building. I've come far, especially in terms of conflicts, in terms of in these communities which are marginalized. We are asking them to embrace peace.